Welcome to DelftStack. Today we'll show you how to fix the code 19 keyboard error on Windows 10 using simple steps. First, we will repair the registry. Press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run box. Type Regedit and press Enter. This will open the Registry Editor. If you see a permission prompt, click Yes. Now, navigate to this path. Go to HKey Local Machine, then System, then Current Control Set, then Control, and then Class. Inside the Class folder, find the folder with this long code. Click on it. On the right side, look for entries named UpperFilters and LowerFilters. Right-click on UpperFilters and select Delete. Do the same for LowerFilters. If you only see one of them, delete that one. Close the Registry Editor and restart your computer. After restarting, check if your keyboard is working. If the problem is still there, try the second method. Right-click the Start button and click on Device Manager. Expand the Keyboard section. Right-click your keyboard device, such as PS2 or USB keyboard, then go to Driver and select Uninstall Device. Confirm the uninstallation. Now restart your computer. Windows will automatically reinstall the keyboard driver during startup. Thanks for watching.